I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Waze and sign in with email, Google, or Facebook to begin. Allow location and background permissions for accurate directions and live updates. Choose English United Kingdom for voice and map settings to match local signage. Set home and work addresses now to enable one-tap navigation across the UK. Review map layers and sound settings so alerts are audible and visible while driving. Confirm mobile data usage. Tap the search bar and enter a destination or place name, then browse suggested results. Review available routes and pick one based on live traffic estimates and arrival time. Tap Go to start navigation and follow spoken instructions and clear on-screen turn prompts. Use the Avoid menu to exclude tolls, motorways, or ferries for specific journeys in the UK. Add stops by searching and tapping Add a Stop when planning multi-leg trips. While driving, report hazards, police, or traffic by tapping the Report button and choosing the correct icon. Rely on Waze voice prompts and glance at the screen only when it is safe to do so. Enable Friends and ETA sharing to send real-time arrival updates and location to contacts in the UK. Keep the app updated to receive the latest community alerts and map edits. Use lane guidance where available to prepare for junctions and reduce last-minute maneuvers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.